Gentlemen, we are in Kitgum. We are in Kitgum district, Kitgum municipality, Bosmiko team. I will be welcoming my brothers from Karamoja land. We are already talking about the coexistence of our people in the community. Our communities, our people, we have to coexist. Luani Bosmiko team, I am so honored to be having my brothers from another land, my brothers from Karamoja. Karamoja, Acholi, we are one people. Teso, Karamoja, Lao, Acholi, Karamoja, Madi, Lugwar, Acholi, Kakwa, Aringa, we are one people. Ugandans, all Ugandans from A to Z, we are one and we are equally citizens of our own country, Uganda. Now, we are here preparing. This is preparation for Saint Janani Luwum Celebration Day. We are so honored to be having our brothers from Karamoja. You are most welcome, Mr. DJ. Unajua la kweli.
Watching, watching,